Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to check your credit report summary with Klover. So checking your credit report summary is a pretty simple process that can help you to understand your credit better. And here's a step-by-step guide on how to do that. So getting off started, first thing you want to do is to log into your Klover account. And once you're logged into your account, either on the mobile app or the website, you're going to want to click on credit report, and then you want to select view summary. Now here you can view your credit report summary, and that helps you to identify areas that need improvement, and in case there's any errors, you can dispute them on your credit report. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty simple and straightforward how to check your credit report summary with Klover. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.